Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name is Cody Bills. Today is February 6th, a Friday, for the weekly wrap-up. Let's turn over to the platform here and see where we closed off the week. Corn trading up a half cent on the day, soybeans down 7 1/4 cents, and wheat in Chicago trading up 1 3/4 cents on the day. You can see soybeans kind of shedding a little bit of the prices that it gained yesterday. Corn here mostly unchanged, but when you look at that 5-minute chart, you'll notice that a lot of those gains here to make it unchanged, it rallied up in the last 5 to 10 minutes. I think a lot of that had to do with just short covering rally Friday, people kind of getting out of positions and us bouncing up a little bit higher as a result of that. It was trading down in the red. Now, one thing I want to talk about is the fact that we did have that nice rally there on Tuesday. I really think that producers should be looking at that as an opportunity to price some grain. You're going to want to look around potentially for different puts, and one of the ways you can do that is actually by utilizing the grain hedge trading platform. The best thing about this platform is, one, it's set up for producers. It's very easy to use. You log in, you have the quotes on the left, you got the chart in the top right, and if you want to view the options chain, view the different strike prices, the different prices that each one of these options are going for, you can do that. You can just simply click on a contract, select the options chain, and you'll be able to view all the different strike prices, both in the money and well out of the money, to really find the right put or the right call or the right put call strategy for your grain marketing operation. Let's talk a little bit about the cash market. This is going to be important here. It is kind of interesting. We did see a little bit of an improvement here in the cash market, but really nothing to write home about. Corn was up about a penny here. The river markets is where we saw most of the movement. Now, we saw the river markets for corn trading up about 5 basis points on the week. You'll notice that right around the Ohio, the Illinois, the Mississippi there, you're really seeing an improvement in basis. And a lot of that has to do with strong export sales, strong export inspections, and falling barge rates down the river. Now, one thing that is interesting is when you switch over here to soybeans, you'll notice that the Gulf is down pretty sharply. Even though on average soybeans increased on average across the U.S., it increased about 2 basis points. When you look at the river, the southern part, very much affected by a decrease in the Gulf by about 6 cents here on the week. Now, we have started to see a decline in export sales here. You know, certainly not as robust as we saw earlier on. Export inspections not quite as great either. So the bottom line here is it looks as though we're seeing a little bit of a decline in basis down around the Gulf. We'll have to see if this is something that continues. Other than that, we saw crush facilities up about 3 cents. I really think that the decline in prices over the last couple weeks has probably caused a little bit of drying up of farmers selling and kind of forced those crush plants to lift basis a little bit to draw that grain out of farmers' bins. If you have any questions about what we're talking about here or getting set up with a demo to have the live quotes in your home office or on your mobile phone, give us a call. The number is 877-472-4607. I'd be happy to schedule a walkthrough, give you a personalized walkthrough, kind of show you what the platform is capable of, what the key features are, but also customize it to your own trading style and your own trading needs. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you here on Monday.